Is Cliplabs.io legit or a scam? I'm going to tell you if Cliplabs.io is legit or a scam. Cliplabs.io claims you can earn thousands by clipping content from streamers and influencers. Sounds great, right? But here's the problem. There's no verified proof of anyone making real money. Scam detectors rate the site as high risk and its payment system is unclear. Another big red flag: copyright issues. If you upload clips without permissions, you could get hit with a DMCA strikes or banned from platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Plus, Cliplabs.io hides who runs it, a classic sign of scam. So is Clipslab.io worth it? Not likely. With shady practices and legal risks, it's best to stay away.